Was there ever a time you were less than confident about your style?
I used to spend a lot on fast fashion, thinking I needed new clothes all the time, and then I would end up purchasing things that I didn't really love. But after a major closet purged, I found that my style is actually very simple. And I feel most like myself in minimalist pieces that are timeless and durable enough for weekly washing and tumble drying. The perfect pair of qualities when it comes to clothes. Durability and high quality are very important to me, and keeping things simple with fashion makes life easier.
What advice can you give women to overcome their fashion fears?
Be less judgmental of yourself. Dare to wear what you're most comfortable in, even if it's just a t-shirt and jeans.
What tips can you give women to help them care for their clothes?
Invest in a complementing washing machine and dryer that combines care and expertise. I've found the perfect pair with my Electrolux UltimateCare 900 front-load washing machine and my Electrolux UltimateCare 500 front-load dryer. Dare to wash with Electrolux.